Peterson manufactures PAC-CLAD architectural metal wall and roof panel systems. We have multiple gauges of steel and aluminum, and we have 46 standard colors as well as simulated wood grain finishes and ore finishes, and we can do custom colors as well. We've got more than 20 different profiles of wall panels. PAC-CLAD's newest selection of finishes is 16 wood grain finishes. It's a Kynar paint with a 35-year warranty against fading and chalking, and they are available on any of our panels. Our newest product is the modular AL system. It's a wall panel system that has a high degree of customization available. Each individual panel can be different size. It can be horizontal or vertical. And as you can see here, each panel can be different depth. And it is a real true way to make a unique facade for any building. For architects and the specifiers of our products, we have all of the supporting documentation they need. We also have technical support from our sales reps and our technical department. Everything that an architect and specifier needs to comfortably and confidently specify PAC-CLAD metal flat.